Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have the not so fun tasks of two different areas in our house that need cleaning during our power hour. The first one is the closet here, and we need to kind of prep and get things ready for winter, get our air conditioning units put away in there, and then we have our fridge outside. I'm going to insert a clip now so you can kind of see it before we go out and clean it. It is a disaster. I got some Coke Zero over the weekend, last weekend, and we got that fridge
So my brother had this fridge and it kept messing up and freezing everything.
Or half of everything.
Half of everything. It just came in and out. So we thought, hey, we'll just use it as an extra fridge. We don't care if it freezes or doesn't freeze. So most of the time in the fridge, things are just really cold. But apparently, was it Coke Zero?
Anything with no sugar in it will
Coke
freeze.
Zero, no good. Boom, blew up everything.
Everything exploded. I think 90% of the cans have literally exploded all over the entire
so it looks good.
Fridge. So we have to clean that out. Yeah. All right, so we're going to set a timer for 1 hour. I really hope we can get these two things done. And that's our challenge today. We're going to set our timer and let's go.
Yeah, come on. We've got it done, but technically the alarm went off as we were drying the drawers for the fridge out there, but we just couldn't stop there. You gotta have a fridge. So we had to take a little extra time and put the shelves back in.
Yeah. I figure that the extra time it takes to move the camera and set the angle is kind of the time we used to keep cleaning, keep getting it done. And we're not even done yet. That's the sad thing, folks, is that I still have to sweep and mop the floor because Coke has been
we made a mess.
Dripped all throughout my kitchen and laundry room, so I have to mop the floors.
We should have started on the fridge first.
And then we would never have done the hallway.
Because but it's not our usual power hour where we just cut it off.
Yeah.
So today's a little different, but that fridge.
That's so nasty.
It was gross.
I would have been furious if we hadn't been able to pull out all the drawers and clean them in the sink, because that would have been a nightmare.
Oh,
anyway, enough of that. If you want to know what like Coke looks like exploded all over your kitchen, rewind and watch us clean it all over again. So, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hopefully we won't have that kind of a mess again, but we want to keep it real. Like, I've seen cleaning videos and they clean the same clean house like over and over and over again, and I don't see any mess. They're not cleaning any mess. They're cleaning the same glass table and they're cleaning the same.
We got a mess.
Pretty shelf. We cleaned the mess.
Our kids and us make sure there's always a mess. So.
We always have a mess for you guys to watch us clean up. So I think I'm 2 away from 500. In fact, I might be at 500 today. So I really appreciate that, and let's keep going. Thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.